Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get holiday seed pack and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update part 1 has been dropped in Grow a Garden Roblox, and they have already replaced the Zenith seed pack with this holiday seed pack. And if you want to get it guys, you can join the season pass. This one, just go to the season 3 pass. Okay, and you can go to the store and you can buy the holiday seed pack right here, or you can complete the quest to earn XP, and then you will get the holiday seed pack after you reach level 4. And I have already I have already claimed my holiday seed pack. Okay, and this is the holiday seed pack. Okay, and yeah, let me open it guys and let's see what we'll get. Oh, I got the Frosty Bite, which is one of the uncommon seeds in Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the holiday seed pack and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.